I'm Simon Kampa, I'm the CEO of Senseye. In a nutshell, Senseye does predictive analytics and makes it really easy for the end user to use. If you look at existing systems, whether they're analytics systems from IBM or very specific condition monitoring systems from large manufacturers, they're complex, they're expensive, and they need a whole team of engineers to use and decipher that information. What we're trying to do is to make that same capability accessible to a wider and broader market, whether that's in the machine sector where we forecast when components are going to fail, or in the renewable sector where we forecast panel performance, photovoltaic panel performance, or whether it's in the agricultural sector and you're forecasting yields for farmers. I guess looking back at my career, my greatest success was probably becoming the MD of Critical at the age of, what was I then, 32, which I thought was all right. I mean, I know there's people have done it much sooner, but it was a fairly established company, and then growing that, fourfold over 5 years through a very difficult market conditions. So we were mainly working within the defence and aerospace sectors, and obviously they took quite a heavy hit in the recession that started in 2008. So I'd probably say that's it. Closely followed by having the guts to leave and set up my own company. What motivates me? It's success. It's growing a team. It's hiring people. It's people staying with you for a long time and growing with you and enjoying what you're doing. And I guess ultimately, whether you're a capitalist or not, if you can exit the company and sell it, and somebody's willing to buy it for a certain value, whatever you do with that money, it's an indicator that what you've done is quite good. So I guess ultimately it's doing the full cycle from startup to sale. The reason I'm interested in working with Future Worlds and working with partners on the program is throughout my career I've relied heavily on mentors, advisors and colleagues to guide me through my career, and especially in setting up Senseye. We regularly need input from people from a wide array of backgrounds. Without that we just simply could not succeed. And sometimes people just need a little nudge, and it's so obvious when you hear it, but you don't sit yourself because you're so into the company. It's hard to sometimes step back, and just getting that impartial advice is so helpful. So I'd say I've got quite a broad experience from commercial to financial to engineering to getting investment to getting grant support. Wouldn't necessarily say I'm an expert in any of those areas. I've not been able to focus on any area exclusively, but as a whole I've got experience across a very broad range of areas. Plus people tell me I'm a nice guy and easy to work with, so I think if there's people out there who are just considering launching something or are in early stages of launching, come and have a chat with me and see if I can help you.